Welcome to today's power bank challenge. Today I'm going to use the Bluetti and we're going to power the sander to sand these 3 kitchen cabinets, and we'll see if I can make it. So let's get started. We're at 100%. We're going to make some noise now. We're using 113 watts. I start sanding, I go up to 130. Goes the last 2.2 hours. We're at 52%. Okay, let's do the second sanding. We're at 45%. And I have just the 120 to go. I have 40% left. So I just finished before the snow started falling. So I was able to run the Orbital Sander on here for 1 hour and 10 minutes. And I still have 34% left. So I didn't know how long it was going to take, but I probably could have gone another half hour, 45 minutes. So I sanded the front of 3 cabinets and that was a success. If you like videos like this, subscribe up here and watch more videos down here. Have a good day.